Hi guys, so now today we will be comparing two wallets, one of them being of Fastrack. This is the wallet. It's black in color with a blue piping Fastrack logo, and this one being of red tape. A very interesting design with all those blocks and gives a feel of a black brick and those old walls as if the stones are engraved in it. So that's a very nice design. Let's compare these. When you go inside, you would find two standard flaps which are for keeping the notes. There are these three for credit cards. 1, 2, 3. Inside as well, there's a flap, open up flap. You find this is more transparent or see-through. So you can keep the ID cards. Out here, you would see interesting crisscross design, I think, to keep the cards. Usually the 3 cards. This is, I think, the crisscross design. Keep something else. And you see the keeping the usual stuff. That's it. So this is the whole Fastrack purse. It's a little more, I'd say, rigid. I don't know why exactly it is, but it's a little more rigid. Otherwise, a nice different design. Was not sure Fastracks make wallets as well, but this happens to be a new venture. So this is how it looks like. On the other hand, if you see, this is from Red Tape. As I said, this is the texture, the outer feel. This is genuine leather. The texture is very different. The Red Tape logo here. We open, you find the RFID safe, genuine leather, 3 standard card slots. There are 2 slots here as well. Slightly different design to it. You see, the usual stuff to keep more coins or pockets, and then you find these are the 2 flaps which are for keeping the notes. A more compact, a little more compact than the other one. That seems to be a little bulky. But otherwise, a nice and unique design. This one. Right then, thank you.